How to use English prepositions correctly. 10 key tips. Prepositions can be tricky for English learners, but mastering them is crucial for speaking and writing accurately. First, remember that prepositions show the relationship between words in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The book is on the table," on shows the relationship between the book and the table. Second, in is used for larger spaces like in the room or in the city, while on is used for surfaces like on the table. Third, at is used for specific points like at the door or at the bus stop. Fourth, to is used to show direction, like go to the store. Fifth, for it shows purpose, like this gift is for you. Sixth, since and for can both indicate time, but since is used with a specific starting point in time, and for is used with a period of time. Seventh, avoid using between with more than two items. Use among instead. Eighth, with is used to indicate companionship, like I'm with my friend. Ninth, be careful with phrasal verbs like look after, look for, or take care of. Finally, practice prepositions by speaking and writing regularly. With these tips, you'll use prepositions correctly in no time.